Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode at this cool amazing one right here in my hand. And basically what this is a memory foam pillow. So you can definitely use this product when you guys are sleeping, when you guys are traveling. However you guys decide to use it, that's up to you guys. But first thing first, I'm actually opening the product to show you guys what it actually looks like inside first. So this is basically what the product looks like. You can see it's all nicely wrapped up. So once you open up this product here, this product will actually expand into a memory foam pillow. So let's do that first. So it may take a few seconds for it to expand. But you can see that this is basically what the product looks like right here. So the way how they designed the actual pillow itself is pretty nice because you guys get this option right here to put your head. So that way you can get that support on your neck area. And not only can you guys put your neck on here, if you guys want to sleep on here or here, you can definitely do that as well. So it doesn't really matter if you guys are a side sleeper or a back sleeper. You can basically do all of that on here because you guys get that full support right here and support here and here as well. And when you guys feel the material on this pillow itself, it definitely feels pretty nice because of that memory foam material on here. If you guys look at the side right here, and also on this side, and on the back side right here, you can definitely see that mesh material right here, which is pretty nice to give that kind of like breathing option for the pillow itself. So when you guys are generating a lot of heat onto your pillow, it actually gives room for the pillow to breathe and it actually cools down. So that way you guys don't have to sleep on like a really hot pillow every single day or every night. And we look at the back side right here, this is basically what it looks like. So they do have the zipper compartment right here where you can actually open up like this. And that's what the inside looks like. So you just remove the cover and wash the cover. And when you guys finish washing the cover, you guys can put it back on and reuse the product itself. You don't need to wash the memory foam that's inside right here, if you can see. And once you guys are done, just zip it back up. So now I actually lay on this and show you guys what actually it looks like. You can see how my head just sinks in really nicely. It definitely feels really comfortable. Like the moment I actually put my head on here, I definitely feel that really nice comfort and just makes me feel like I'm about to fall asleep because it's just so comfortable using that memory foam material that they have on the pillow itself. If you guys want to use it as a backrest or whatever, you can definitely do that as well. So for example, I just put it right here on my chair just like this and just lay on it. You can definitely see that that works as well, so that I can definitely get like a back support right here as well. But that is basically everything that's on the product itself. Now that we did unboxing and testing of the actual product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I definitely have to say that any kind of memory foam pillows in general are super worth it. So that way you don't have to worry about waking up with neck pain or back pain or whatever. This will definitely give you guys the support that you need. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have no use for one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.